Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making a roasted beet and goat cheese salad on the Memphis Pro Cart ITC3. So the first thing that we want to do is light up the Memphis Wood Fired grill. We're going to start up the grill and we want to set it at 425 degrees, and you can use any pellets for this cook. The Memphis Wood Fired grill is now sitting at 425 degrees, so now it's time to prepare the beets. You want to pick the leaves off a couple of thyme sprigs, so you have about a tablespoon. We're going to trim 3 red beets and 3 yellow beets. Then you want to place the beets in an aluminum pan. We're going to pour 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil on top. And then we want to toss them with the thyme leaves. We want to wrap the beets individually in some aluminum foil. We want to place these in an aluminum pan, and then we're going to bake them in the grill for about 75 minutes or until the beets yield to gentle pressure. While the beets are roasting, we can now prepare all the other ingredients that goes into this salad. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil to a bowl. Then you also want to add 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. We're also going to add 2 cloves of minced garlic. We want to season this with salt, and then we want to whisk it and set aside. We're going to have 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, and we also want to finely slice 1 red onion. We're going to take a cup of pistachios and pour into a Ziploc bag, and then we want to use a mallet and crush these. The beets have now been in the Memphis Wood Fired grill for 75 minutes, so it's time to remove the aluminum pan with the beets from the grill. And then you want to open up the aluminum foil and let the beets steam for a little while. When they cooled off, remove them from the aluminum foil. And now you want to slip the skin off using kitchen gloves. Then it's time to cut these beets into smaller pieces. We want to add 4 cups of baby arugula to a large serving platter. Then we want to add the cherry tomato halves, and we also want to add the thinly sliced red onion. Now we're going to season this with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Veggie Boost. We want to top this with the roasted beets. We also want to crumble 4 to 6 ounces of goat cheese. We're going to sprinkle some of the crushed pistachios on top. Last but not least, we're going to tear 2 tablespoons of fresh basil leaves and add as well. Now this beautiful salad is ready to be served immediately with a balsamic dressing on the side. And that is how I make my roasted beet and goat cheese salad on the Memphis Pro Cart. Now, if you want to know more about Memphis Wood Fired Grill, check out their website, memphisgrills.com. I think the only thing left to do is to try this, so let's drizzle a little bit of that dressing on there. Let's grab a couple of chunk of both goat cheese and beets and all this goodness, and here we go. Yeah. So light, so fresh, and very easy to make. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.